Today I'm giving a review of my 10 by 10 challenge that I set myself for Me Made May. So if you want to see the outfits that I put together and how I got on, then keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Susie from Thread Quarters. Thanks so much for joining me again today. Please excuse the banging that might be going on around me. Next door are having renovations and there's builders there, and I really want to get this filmed and try and get it up for the weekend, so I'm just gonna have to plow through the banging. So I'll try and edit out as much as I can, sorry about that. So today I am finally sharing my outfits that I put together for my 10 by 10 challenge. If you don't know what I'm talking about at all, there'll be a link down below in the description box with the video explaining everything. So maybe go and watch that one first if you haven't seen it yet, and then come back and watch this video again. It'll make a lot more sense. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go straight into the outfits and let you see those, and then we'll come back to chatting a bit, and I'll talk a little bit about it. It's not going to be a very long video because, you know, it'll be a bit boring. What I will just say is I failed immensely with documenting every day what I was wearing, so I had to go back and literally one day I just put all the outfits on one after the other and filmed them. So that's why my hair looks the same and my makeup and everything like that. It's all the same because this was all filmed at the same time. So I would have liked to have done it day by day, but it's just far too difficult. So this is what you get instead. So anyway, let's get on to the outfits. There you go, that's what I wore for 10 days with 10 items, and I found it easier than I thought I would actually. It wasn't too difficult to put the outfits on. In fact, I think at the end of the 10 days I had a few more combinations that I could have done, so that was pretty good. I think adding the shirt dress, which I didn't make by the way, that is a ready to wear one from Next. I think adding that is a really good trick for a 10 by 10 because you can wear it on its own as a dress, or you can layer it up with like the t-shirt underneath, still wearing it as a dress, or have it open and have it as a jacket. And that's not a way that I've ever actually worn that dress before, but I really like those outfits. I thought it worked really well, and I was actually surprised as well how it looked with the skirt, because I thought maybe that would be a bit odd, but I liked it. But I think I like the open with the trousers better. I thought that was good. And actually I was really pleased with how it looked buttoned up to the top. That was the last image you saw, or the last outfit you saw. I would never wear any shirt buttoned up to the top. It just feels odd or looks odd to me, but I thought I'm going to give it a go for this one, and I actually really liked it. I think, you know, I pulled my hair back and it was quite flattering, so I was like, yeah, I'll maybe do that again. Another win of an outfit I had never put together before was my hemlock hack that has, it's the jumper with the cowl neck, the stripy jumper with the cowl neck. I have a tutorial for that, by the way, so again I'll link that down below if you fancy making your own. The hemlock is a free pattern, so it's always good to have a free pattern to work off, and then I just show you how to add the cowl neck. Anyway, I really liked putting that with the Erin skirt. Again, it's not something I've ever done, but you know, I just needed a little bit more warmth that day, and it fit the bill, and I felt so cozy but yet a little bit put together. Rare for me, to be honest. So I was really pleased with that one, and I'll definitely be doing that again. I think my absolute favourite outfit was this one. So with the dress open and the trousers and the pink top, just all those berry colours worn together, I just thought it looked so nice, and I will definitely be putting that together again as well. So there's definitely a lot that I gained from doing this experiment. I also didn't like wearing those boots with the bare legs. I really felt that they cut off my legs a lot and sort of made them look a bit chunkier than I would like them to look. I thought the boots worked really well with the trousers, but not with the bare legs. Maybe if I had the skirt and I put on tights and then the boots, that would probably work a bit better. So I have a feeling I'll probably wear those boots more come autumn time, when I do want to be wearing tights. It was actually quite warm the week that I was doing this challenge, so that was interesting as well. So anyway, that is my outfits that I made up with my 10 by 10. Which was your favourite one? Also, if you didn't catch my little message in the community tab, I've reached 10,000 followers. In fact, I'm nearly at 10,200 followers, so it's rising every day, and I am just so thrilled. Thank you so much. If you're a new follower, welcome, or subscriber I should have said, sorry. Too many social media platforms, aren't there, with different terms and things. So yes, if you are a new subscriber, welcome. I am so thrilled to have you here as well. And I mentioned a while ago that, well, I had reached about 9,000, and I said when I reach 10 I'm gonna do a giveaway, and 10,000 came around a lot faster than I thought it would, so I was totally not prepared at all. But I am now putting together quite a fun video, and there's going to be a good giveaway to celebrate for all my subscribers. So that'll probably come out in the beginning of July. It just depends how quickly I can get it organized. So you know, if you want to be in a chance for a win, and it's a pretty cool giveaway. I've got a few sponsors involved, and it's looking good. Then hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then you're not going to miss out on that giveaway either, so that would be wonderful. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.